Next question. Shalom Kavah. Question about dressing/behaving and the way of the opposite gender. I wonder if women are allowed to wear perfume with note of leather or tobacco, given wearing perfume is intrinsically a thing for women, but those smells are more for men. Is this allowed?
So wearing perfume in general, as a person said, 100%. It's a man's. It's a woman thing. So, but but in general, wearing too much perfume that everybody could smell, that's the problem. If she would wear for her husband, there is no problem. She can use any type of perfume. You understand? So, right. So if it's in moderate amounts, so I don't say just because it's tobacco. I never heard of it, so I would say there is no problem.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, but basically, again, moderate. So if husband likes whatever he likes, make him happy. So, poor thing, I would say, if he needs these strange smells. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.